Good morning everyone, this is Aftab. You are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. I hope you must be doing very well, you must be enjoying your lives, and you must be looking obviously at this market as well. I want to share my thoughts about the gold US dollar. This morning it gave a very nice opening, I should say. If we see right here, yesterday, as I was expecting that this market is going to drop back to this 61.8% retracement, so it did drop to this particular one at 36.28 and 36.27 approximately. So no doubt it moved very nicely. Now why these bulls took positions from right here, that's what I'm going to tell you, so that from these videos you should learn that okay, if these bulls take buying decisions right here, they were crazy, or because there was no big news right here, nothing. So why then these traders took this particular decision? This is what we have to find out. So were these bulls looking for, like, what, on the basis of what they took this buy? If one thinks they took this buying decision on the basis of this pin bar that it plotted, not just the pin bar, okay, pin bar was a confirmation of something. So what was that something which, on the basis of which the traders bought? What was that something? So this curiosity to know more and more and more will make you a very better trader. There is this thing, a Fibonacci 61.8% retracement. So people actually bought right here. We have to know that okay, this pin bar is a confirmation, but the actual buying all the way started from right here, slight break below, and then from 61.8% retracement the buying occurred. It was very early morning for me, so I couldn't trade it, and I said it yesterday as well in the video that I will be missing it because it will be too early for me. But then no doubt this is a 61.8% retracement, no doubt this is a previous consolidation zone right here, but a breakout could have occurred as well, huh? A breakout could have occurred as well. Why that breakout did not occur? Let's see that. There is some sort of like a concept I want to give you. You know, when the market was rejected from 36, 70, 74, that long-term ABCD pattern I already discussed, on this 61.8% retracement, market go bearish till here, while the actual completion was near 3602.16. so why? See, like right here we have this break of structure already occurred. Again, why it go bullish from right here and not completed this ABCD? It did not completed this ABCD because if it completed this ABCD would mean that this market is bearish, and then this Fibonacci 61.8% retracement, as you can see, this one, you see this one, I also discussed it previously for a buy. Now no problem, if one get it, congratulations. If one misses, no problem at all, my friends, right? Just don't worry a little bit. This market will be giving us such opportunities on regular basis, and technically and realistically catching each and every one. We are not robots. So market became bullish from this bigger ABCD. Now right now what is happening in this market is this is A, this is B, then some intraday story ran right here, then a 61.8% retracement, and the completion is right here around 3707 and around this. But one thing I want to tell you, and that is this is valid, but this is valid as well. And now we have this whole range. Are you getting my point? And now this market is telling us that either the market is going up to 3707, 3699, or either it is coming back to 3602. Now the statement thing. As far as this market is trading below this 3655-ish area, it will be coming back down to 3602. So I was saying why these bulls took this buying decision, and even if I was looking at the market, why I would be taking this buying decision. Inside it, right here, from here, this is a swing low to swing high, and this was the 61.8% retracement. So let's read these lines for now. I hope you understood what I wanted to say. Now this is also present in the market, and there will be a lot more ABCDs patterns forming. As this, and it will be pointing back to this zone around 3673.21, which I already discussed with all of you, this resistance. And for the London session, this is that decision point we have. Now one more thing, switch to the 15-minute and see. There is this thing happening. From there till here, this is now another impulsive wave we have from there till here, and this is their 61.8% retracement. And these sellers who entered into the market, they entered into the market because this is a 61.8% retracement. And even if I do it more, it will be again showing us another 61.8% retracement right here at 3634. Did you get my point? So possibly during the London session, there are two things going to occur. Either this market, like this is A, this is B, this is C, and that is the D, 3673, while this level 3626 approximately till 20, this level is holding bullish for now. So the first can happen as maybe the market give us a correction back to 3634. On the intraday level, traders can focus on this. This is again around 100 to 50, 200 pips of move it can be. So the first thing I am going to look at and observe is this 3634. Now this is market 100%, no one is sure. If this breakout occurs, it will be showing back down to 3602, and then we will say that okay, this story which started from there, you see, from there till there, and this is their ABCD. Then another story started from right here as this. Either this level has to prove itself to go back up, or if it breaks, it will be coming back down to this level. This trend line nicely, it was even supposed to be coming back down till here, but then the sellers were stopped out. The structure was good enough, but it did not work. That day we have news as well. So It continued bullish, hit that previous resistance, and then it dropped from there. It dropped from there and is stopped at this support. So as far as it is, this level is holding, it will be showing us bullish opportunities, but not too long term. Okay, 50, 60, 70 pips upon proper confirmations. Now if this break below, I will not be interested in a sell, because by then my actual sell level is this, my actual sell level is this, my sell level is not this. If I follow nicely my strategy, it will tell me that Aftab, either look for buying right here or wait for a breakout, and after the breakout let the market go down to 3602 and then plan your buying decisions. So that will be the ideal one for me. Now another thing, and the other thing is, obviously there are a lot of the things I want to discuss, but at the same time I don't want to confuse you. The confirmation, you know, this H4 candle, this is a bullish engulfing. Now what is that bullish engulfing? Its body is bigger than the previous candle. It closed green and it suggests bulls are now interested. So if this candle on the H4 come back down till here 36, 34, I think at least 50-60 pips it should give effortlessly. The overall will be 200 pips. 200 pips. Okay, if we have a bullish engulfing candle present in the market, we can treat it as a bullish. Right now anyone who is looking for a bullish opportunity on the basis of this bullish engulfing, they are also wrong, because look at this RSI is in the middle. So what I say is, if by the time this market come back down till 36, 34 and RSI is at a decent level, we switch to the lower time frames, we see, okay, if any double bottom is forming right here, we have the first touch already present on the chart. Then when it dropped till here, we can look for some sort of confirmation right here, and then we can obviously plan the buying trades and stops. Obviously that depends on every trader, but stop ideally can be below, well then that depends on the structure. It will require proper patience. So maybe in the next 5-6 hours it can be validated. And on the 15-minute, well, yes, see, there is this little consolidation it created, so it can go without giving us this correction. So if I say, if it go without a correction, I just let it go. I don't like to chase the market, and I also want you guys to stop this habit of chasing the market. So let's see, a very interesting market this is. I hope it will be bringing us some good setups. Yes, if this doesn't work, then about the stop loss, don't worry about it at all, right? Don't worry about it all. And the yen session, I mean the Asian session, I guess is closing or maybe closed. So some of the sellers are buyers are anyways leaving their positions, so maybe we can get some 50-60 pips of opportunity right here for the day. And one more thing you can observe, and that is this trend line. Okay, so by any chance, if it breaks and if it retests, this will be a good selling level, but let's see, I don't know if I will be trading that or not. It depends. First I want to see it bullish from right here back to target 136.57 and then 36.73, but remember, I can be wrong. Okay, And I can be wrong in the sense of like not that this analysis is wrong, this analysis as per the strategy, but like the market will stop me out. Like this is just random thing, nothing so fancy, simple. I will be stopped out. But it doesn't mean when I'm stopped out right here, I will immediately say, okay, let me take a sell right here. It is anyways going down. It can be a trap, it can be anything, right? So, not taking much of your time further. Let's see in the NY session, I will be live trading, and even before that, if I'm into any live trade, or if I'm supposed to take a trade, I will come live right here and will try to share with all of you. Give me plenty of feedback because I do need it. Okay, see you in the evening in the NY session. Till then, goodbye, take care of yourself, and may the divine showers all of the blessings on all of us, on you, on me, on the whole humanity, and every creature, every living being. So yes, see you, right? It was very nice meeting with all of you. Take care.